In today's unpredictable economic climate, having the right insurance partner is not just about protection, it's about financial intelligence. Whether you're running a marketing agency, managing a group, startup, or freelancing in the finance sector, choosing a reliable UK insurance company can make all the difference. It's not about ticking a legal box, it's about aligning your business goals with financial security that support growth. Let's explore some of the most trusted businesses focused on insurance companies in the UK right now, starting with the Aviva, a powerful house in the UK insurance market. Just a household name, it's also a top choice for small to mid-sized businesses. Their business insurance packages too are modular, meaning you only pay for what you need. From public liability to cyber insurance, Aviva covers all the essentials, and their online quote system makes it incredibly easy to get started, even if you're new to business insurance. Next is AXA. UK, known for their digital toward forward approach and transparency, AXA is a favorite among creative professionals and entrepreneurs in marketing and finance. Their professional indemnity insurance is especially popular for those working in consultancy or digital services, protecting against the kind of risk that traditional coverage often overlooks. AXA 24/7 support is also a big win for busy businesses owner who can't afford to wait when something goes wrong. Moving on to Direct Line for business. If you're cost conscious but still want to do a strong coverage, Direct Line hits the sweet spot. Their business insurance plans are highly customizable with a focus on trades people, landlords, and small office-based businesses. What no middleman approach. They don't appear on comparison sites, so you don't get direct deals and offer better rates. Hiscox is another standout, especially for people in the digital marketing space. They're one of the few UK insurers that really understand the unique risk modern business face. Whether you deal with client data, intellectual property, or digital campaigns, Hiscox offer coverage that campaigns speak your language. Plus, their customer service consistently ranks among the best in the industry. Zurich UK is the major player when it comes to large business or corporate level insurance. Their commercial offerings go beyond the basics, providing risk assignment, employee benefits, and industry specific solutions. They are particularly strong in the finance and in tax sectors where compliance and risk mitigation are critical. Let's not forget NFU Mutual, originally focused on farming and rural business, but now offering comprehensive business insurance across various sectors. They shine in customer satisfaction and are ideal for small business that value personal relationships and tailored advice over generic policies. And finally, we have Churchill, a well-established name that continues to provide competitive options for freelancer consultants and self-employed professionals.